done to deserve this? Now the house where they find like that she was said now. Say, what am I lying for? What am I lying for? My God will judge you. I swear to God. I'm lying, right? I'm lying, right?
You are lying.
Are you done beating me? Are you done beating me? Are you done beating me? Because my wife is not around, right? Are you done beating me? And you know I cannot touch you, right? She knows that I can't touch her. She knows I can't touch her and she was beating me. Oh, Allah. No, Allah. You see this court case, eh? You see this court case? Nobody who got police, they win case, that's all. You see this court case? Nobody will go know how you got the end. We're going to know how you the end. Upon everything I've done for you. Upon everything I've done for you. She was dragging my clothes. I have to go to live. She was dragging my clothes so bad. So bad. Why did you ask them to lock it? Why did you tell them that your money is in the house? Why are you lying? Why are you lying? May God judge you, judge your family. I swear to, may I curse you this day. May I curse you from the depth of my heart. May I curse you this very day. May I curse you. I curse you. All these things that you are doing, it shall not be well with you unless I do you wrong in this life. Unless I do you wrong in this life, all these things that you are doing, it shall not be well with you. You don't make that the feel say I not be man now, but nobody know what they pass through. You don't sleep with who you want to sleep with to get power. I don't blame you. Now me know what they pass through. Nobody understands. Nobody will understand because you're a woman. Sleep with whoever you want to be sleeping now. Is it today you're doing? Is it today you're doing videos? Is it today you're doing videos? No problem. Ah. The hear this girl talk. That means this girl be person will be say this girl literally has nothing in this life. Now me pick this girl for where she did, bring her come. She dey lie for me. She dey lie for me. She dey lie for my head. You dey lie for my head. They spoil my name for people. They don't say me I harass you. Me when? Maybe will beat me. Maybe will hit me. Maybe will slap me. Ah, may God forgive you. Unless I do bad to marry you, I swear to God. Unless I do bad to marry you. Unless I do bad to marry you. Mary, they hear me so. Unless I do bad to marry you. Unless I do bad to marry you. You go tell me what I do for this life. You go tell me what I do for your life. Unless I do bad to marry you. Do what you want to do. If you want, it's on the boom. I'm going to the boom. I'm going to the boom. Boom. I'm even tired of this life. Probably I will take something. Probably I'll just have to go. I'm tired of this life. I am tired of this life. You have frustrated me enough. I will just take something and go away from this life. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you. I will drink something. God bless you. I'm tired. I'm depressed. Jesus.
What? I have customers to attend to. Not this.
You go live for them. See the house and your house. What do they want to approve? What are they?
The house is ours and she doesn't have a document to it. Very funny.
And the couple were so polite. They said, okay, fine. Since this is going to bring problem, may them do investigation on what?
I should be criminal.
So we should sort what problem? What I want to sort with Mary?
No, why the court is not even like going overboard about this is because number one, where is the document to the house? She should prove it now. She's a co-sharer of the house. She can prove it now, Abby. She doesn't have it. Where she won't even see the document carry.
Oh God.
Just chill. Everything is going to be fine. Your online people or whatever, they can believe whatever they want to believe. These people only she only tell them or post to them what she wants them to know, and she doesn't post the other side. Now we know who she actually be. Do you get?
I said that girl na green grass. I mean, I want a snake in the green grass.
Come.
It's not about this right now, baby. It's not about this.
It's okay.
I'm not happy.
It's okay.
This thing is eating me up day by day. Then why I go feel say I supposed to rest, get patient, enjoy.
The funny thing is, just 2 weeks ago, we're like, finally, God. She doesn't just like happiness. That's it. Like, she loves the chaos. Like, if I cannot have a man, you too, you cannot have a woman and be happy. That's just what I see here, because offering her 20 million and she refuses, and now she's saying she has 50 million in the building of that house. And these gullible online people, we just eat it because of their fake love for her. Beats me. Beats me. Come.
Tired. Babe, I'm tired.
You've not eaten.
How would I eat? I won't want job for this kind of thing. Not only this girl is disgracing me. This girl is embarrassing my lineage. This girl is frustrating me. People will not understand.
People that do not like peace will always look for a way to destroy other people's own. And Mary, this is for you. It is not over. If you think you have or you haven't, you have a money in that. You said you have money in the house. Madam, bring your documents. We want to see. No wahala. Fuck whoever you want to fuck to buy your way through this case. But you no go work. You no go work. Go tell them. Shebi said they use juju. Yes, they use juju. They use juju. Rubbish.
Oh God. Remove it. Okay, you know what you're doing, Abi?
What?
Ready, leave me.
Don't say like that.
Remove your cloth. Remove your...
Which one is this?
You said against ourselves.
You said that you
You said that I told you, right? Respect yourself. You know that we'll go is not around. That's why you're doing all these things.
I'm not going to answer to go out.
You know that we'll go is not around. That's why you're doing all these things. I know I cannot touch you. I know I cannot touch you.
Why did you not video it?
You did all these things.
You are jumping on
Maybe you did all these things. You did all these things.
Don't let me slap you.
Come on, come on.
on.
Ah, God.
You scatter everywhere. You can't touch it. I don't understand.
You're harassing me.
You like my son like no have sense.
When I'm harassing you, give my
I
clothes.
can see you're a woman. So let's fight woman to woman. Let's fight.
I'll break
you
you.
don't want to answer. Break you.
I'll break you.
Oh yeah, now break it.
I come on.
Break it. Break it now. Leave you how?
I don't want to touch you.
Why you are touching me?
No, they're here now. No one touch this girl. I don't want to touch
Who
this
brought
girl.
down this thing? Who brought down this thing? The first time you saw me fast for like, who brought down this thing? Who brought down this thing? No, I'm asking you now, who brought it down? Who brought it down?
Victor,
something wrong with you.
life,
What's
right?
your problem?
Your life, right? Made it see.
See what? Now if I see
Your life, right?
This is to stop me.
Made it
You
see.
threw this thing down.
I don't
You
know.
carried this thing.
I don't know what I did to deserve this thing.
Hey,
I don't know. I don't know.
You are a big time man.
Then leave me alone. Let me just go.
You are a big time
I
man.
know.
What is causing that here?
Leave me. I'm not
Who
crying.
carried
I
this thing?
cannot cry for you.
Who carried this thing?
Madam, I cannot cry for
Why
you.
are you
You
pretending?
know what you're doing to me.
Why are you pretending?
Madam, you know what you're doing to me.
Finish what you have started. Because you see that since you come and look for your job now. You should have enter this place and look for my job. You should have enter this place and look for my job. Stop behaving like you are a saint. You won't come here and look for you. You people just can't be behaving as if you are the
Then
same.
you want to sell my house.
Which house?
You want to sell my
Did I
house?
follow your house?
Okay, you don't take my house.
Nah, I don't agree. You see
Why
that?
did you ask them to lock up my house?
When you do your nonsense now, you reach my thoughts there. Oh, you.
Why did you have them to lock up my house? Victor, this is what Victor. They should see it. Don't beg camera. Victor is everywhere.
You see now. Okay, if that nonsense.
Don't beg camera.
You
Victor
don't
is
your lie that is me, liar, wicked soul, evil. You dey call am, make come beat me for your like petty John Jabri. Make come beat me now. No going to shoot family nuisance. No come, no going. Look now, just say the lie or top person here up and down. When she was here, why did you not tell her to beat him? If I tell her me beat him, now you come up for her to see that nobody is there. You are not doing that. You are not. Say everywhere scatter. I was avoiding you. You were saying that you push that and then you hit me for leg.
Hello.
What's your problem?
Baby.
I'm talking to you. I say, baby, I'm gonna come and stay right there. What's my business?
Baby.
Stand up first. Come and.
Yeah, see what
Arrange.
this girl
Yeah.
is doing to me.
I know this stuff.
If you come around,
arrange this thing. Don't scare me.
if you come around,
Arrange this thing. Come and arrange.
if you come, I want you to mess with her.
When you drop that camera, come and arrange all this thing. I will not arrange
Baby.
house. Somebody will not come and
Baby, if she come around, I want you to mess with her.
this thing and start arranging it.
Go live video, you see her now. Go live video.
Carry this thing.
Check what she's in on live. I'm on live. Check
Carry
it.
all this may arrange and pack.
Check it.
Arrange everywhere.
If I start, people sound.
Start. I say arrange. I cannot suffer and arrange this place. Then if you carry your 2 legs enter this place, then you now come and scatter it for me. It's not
This
possible.
place is still my house. So.
Oga, as far as I'm concerned, this
It's
place is
still my
rented
house.
apartment and I will renew the rent when it's due. So as for now,
The landlord
carry the
knows
chair.
they mad.
Carry it, arrange it.
I'll fling this girl.
Fling.
Who knows when they call her for phone now?
Fling.
She cannot be holding me for long. I will fling her.
Arrange this place. I don't sorry they talk no concern. Arrange.
I will fling you.
Scatter this place. Can't carry mop and come and mop.
Who knows now when they call her for phone? I don't know hold her since.
Oga, arrange this
I cannot
place.
take this thing anymore.
When you were not online,
I cannot take this thing anymore. Because I understand this is a woman world. I understand this is a woman world.
Like, you want a
I understand it. I'm not crying. Don't piss me off, oh. Don't piss me off. I understand this is a woman world. You should call her. She should leave my cloth alone.
Arrange this place, guy. You have to arrange it. I will not stay and suffer and scatter it. Okay?
When I come here,
Don't
I
tell
want
me
you.
come here.
Nobody won't call you for phone. Sit down for there.
Oh, yeah.
I will deal with you. I will deal with you.
You now. It's me
You
want
push
to
me,
talk.
oh.
It's me want to
You are
talk.
pushing me.
Stay here.
You are pushing me. Wait till this. I will break your leg.
Break it.
Come on for here.
You cannot draw your hair. Use a scatter your
You draw my hair.
May come
Hey. Leave my clothes. Leave my clothes. Leave my clothes.
Oga, you have to arrange this place.
Leave my
You
clothes,
not
man.
stress me. You have to arrange.
Now let's be holding each other clothes. So. Let's be holding each other clothes.
Hey.
Man, leave my clothes. I don't like the thing this thing you're doing.
House. You arrange it. You arrange it. Not today. You are removing your hand because it's camera. Not today. You cannot hide. You cannot hide forever.
I cannot hide forever. But look
You
what
can't
you're
hide
doing.
forever.
How are you? Am I a
You have to
child?
arrange this place.
Do you want to breastfeed
You
me?
give me what the mama go teach me. You arrange this place.